Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Retha Lechesa. If you didn't know, now you know. And today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be vlogging anything that I just feel like I should vlog. I'm going to be vlogging it and putting it on this vlog. So today is the 12th of December and it's Tuesday, and today we're going to the beach. It's a beach day. So yeah, and it's hot. I was scared that it's going to be raining and anything, but like it's cloudy but hot, you know what I mean? So I think we'll be fine. Okay guys, so let me show you guys my outfit. So I have this shirt on. It's from H&M. Yeah, it's from H&M. And I have this bikini top on. This one is from the bikini is from Cotton On. Then I have these shorts on from Mr. Price, I think. And then I have my Crocs on. It's a very simple outfit, nothing too wow, but yeah guys, so I'll see you guys when we're at the beach. I feel around also YouTube channel in Yaga since 2021. I feel good.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that?
Oh, I'm on your channel. I also lie, obviously, but like, I'm just recording the conversation. I feel like a person. Bleep person. Okay. You must blend it in. Guys, she blends it in. I was just saying it just to annoy her. But like Ata gona go tlo sua mo. Go tlo go so to tsefela ka tlu.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Ima, hi, what are you doing? Oh, another beach day. Should I add this to the vlog?
Our beach day didn't feature the sun.
Another beach day. Holla, beach day one. Yeah, beach day one. Yeah. Day one. Yeah. We're coming again for this beach. When the weather is giving more. Up in this beach. I think on Sunday. Yeah.
That was fucking funny.
Hey guys, it's Monday, the 18th of December. And today I'm really not doing anything. It's a very short day, but I just wanted to organize my closet because it's a mess. Let me show you guys. So one thing about my closet, it will look clean for like 2 weeks, and then after that it's just a mess. So okay, wait, I have to fix whatever is going on here. I have to fix whatever's going on there, so let's do that right now.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. You
California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no.
Okay guys, so it's fixed. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's a bit better now. Hello everybody. It is the 23rd. Guys, what am I on? It's the 31st. It's the 31st of December. I don't know why I just said 23rd, like it just came to mind. But it's the 31st of December and we are celebrating New Year's Eve. So, since it is 9 p.m, we are going to church. I am spending New Year's Eve in church, and that's on period. That's how it's supposed to be done. I'm just saying, like, if you didn't go to church today, then I don't know what to say to you, but okay. Now we are going to church. The service started. Okay, the service is starting at 10 p.m. to midnight, I think. But then everything started at 6. They had games, they had karaoke, they had like fun stuff to do, but we didn't go because we were from the beach and everyone was just tired after that. So yeah, it's just a white dress. This is how it looks like. It's cute. It's cute. I mean, what else can I say? But yeah, that is the dress I'll be wearing. I'll come back. I'm gonna do my my lip liner. I'm going to do my edges. Then I'll be done. Nothing too much. But yeah. Bye guys. I'm also going to vlog tomorrow because we're also doing something fun tomorrow. So bye guys. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay. Guys, I'm chit ready and about to leave now. My dad is already washing us. Let me just show you guys my outfit really quick. So I did a new hairstyle for my hair. I don't know how the back looks. And then I have this dress on, the one I showed you guys earlier, and then I have this top on because they always have an aircon on, so it gets too cold sometimes. So yeah, and then with my Air Forces, that's the outfit. But yeah, it's so good to be a church girly. So nice. Not now. Say hi to my vlog. This is her first appearance on my channel in about 2. Yeah. But yeah, we're glad she's back. Okay, hi guys. Okay, the lighting is bad. Yeah, but hi guys. So today we got invited to, like, I think it's a pool thing or what, I don't know, but by my dad's friend. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. Yay.
Even when I'm sitting there alone, be with somebody. Hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different, hit different. This shit.
I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys when we're there, probably. Bye. Hey guys, I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and all of that. And yeah, more videos are going to come, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. Bye.